Nag-iisip ka ba kung anong patok na negosyo na pwede mong simulan sa panahon ngayon? This 2024, they are open nationwide, even OFW. For the payment center, the following services offered are bills payment, remittance, ticketing, local and international, loading, travel and tours, insurances, hotel and booking. Direct message for more. Here are the franchisee na nag-avail ng ating naka-limited promo offer na payment center. This is open nationwide. Franchise your own, and we are happy to serve and assist you sa lugar nyo kung saan mo gusto mag-put up ng ganitong business, which is hindi siya napapanis at hinahanap ng mga tao like paying bills, magpadala ng pera, magpabook ng ticket, magpa-load at marami pang iba. So, what are you waiting for? Franchise now, inquire now, and be one of us.